Spark email versus Superhuman. Which one is better? I'm going to tell you whether Spark email or Superhuman is the better email app. Spark is a feature-rich email client designed for teams and individuals, offering smart inbox organizations, collaboration tools, and a free version. It works across multiple platforms and is great for productivity without a steep cost. Superhuman, on the other hand, is a premium, invite only email app focused on speed and efficiency. With AI powered features, keyboard shortcuts, and a minimalist interface, it promises an ultra fast email experience. But at $30 per month, it's a costly choice. If you need a free or budget friendly option with solid features, go for Spark. But if speed, aesthetics, and efficiency are your priority and you're willing to pay, Superhuman is the way to go.